Do you want to shop online? Come to our address to purchase any products. Sale Place 1 blog site https://saleplace1.blogspot.com. Stay with us by subscribing.
Motorcycle Bluetooth helmet. Motorcycle Bluetooth helmet. Headsets intercom 4. 6 riders BT wireless intercommunicator. Interphone MP3 Bluetooth headset. Maximum intercom distance, 1000 m. Maximum number of speakers, 6. Item type, helmet headset. Special function, universal pairing function. Special function, waterproof. Special function, noise reduction. Item weight, 384 kilograms. Special features, Bluetooth headset intercom. Plug type, EU plug. Item width, 0 cm. Model name, V6. External testing certification, CE. Power supply mode, built-in battery. Item height, 0 cm. Applicable helmet type, half helmet. Applicable helmet type, modular. Applicable helmet type, full face. Applicable helmet type, flip-up helmet. Applicable helmet type, universal. Connection mode, Bluetooth. Item length, 0 cm. Item type, helmet headset. Item weight, 0.4 kilograms. Bluetooth version, Bluetooth 3.0. Plug type, none. Applicable helmet type, half helmet. Hands-free Bluetooth headset, auto-receiving mobile phone calls. Special function, universal pairing function. Power supply mode, built-in battery. Max support, 6 riders. Working speed, up to 120 km per hour. Warranty, 60-day. Special features, full duplex real two-way wireless communication 2.4 GHz. External testing certification, CE. Item length, 8 cm. Color, black. Item height, 1.5 cm. Manufacturer part number, does not apply. Max talking range, 1200 meters. Stereo music / audio, A2DP and EDR Bluetooth enabled cell phone / MP3 / GPS / Hi-Fi. Item width, 4 cm. Model name, V6. Application, motorcycle and skiing. Certification, CE Rose BQB FCC Telec. Connectivity, Bluetooth wireless. Connection mode, Bluetooth. UPC, does not apply. This product's link. Follow description box. We hope you enjoy our products as much as we enjoy offering them to you. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you for video showing. Subscribe now Sale Place 1 for next up video.